Hello, my name's Guy Cook, and every episode of Practical Digital Strategies has got to have a title, okay? And this episode title is Free Practical Digital Strategies Planning List. That's right, we've got a Google document that's chapter and verse spells out a pretty complete list, I think. You'll have to agree or not agree and let me know in the comments. But the list consists of the business goals, and then if I scroll down a little bit in the Google document, it talks about the key platforms, and that is email marketing. It's number one in my mind, and it probably always will be, okay? So take a look at that document. It's going to have a lot of steps like increasing online visibility and brand awareness, and drive traffic to your website or landing pages, improve customer engagement and satisfaction, generate leads, increase sales, etc. So if you're online when you get home, maybe you're commuting right now, when you're online, go to practicaldigitalstrategies.podbean.com and get the link there that contains this Google document, and then you'll have your own planning list to implement and generate traffic to your website as well. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on theguyrcookreport.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content, and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.